The world economy is unpredictable. Inflation erodes your savings, markets tumble, causing fear and uncertainty. This is where gold and silver come in. For centuries, these precious metals have been a source of stability and security. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and power for millennia. Ancient civilizations used it as currency, recognizing its inherent value. This is why central banks around the world hold gold reserves. They understand its importance as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Silver shares gold's monetary heritage. It too has been used as currency for centuries. But silver has a dual role. Beyond its monetary value, silver is an essential industrial metal. It is used in electronics, solar panels, and medical equipment. This industrial demand adds to silver's intrinsic value. Section 5. Gold and silver ETFs, riding the market waves. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer a more convenient way to invest in gold and silver. These financial instruments are designed to track the price of the underlying metals. These ETFs hold physical gold or silver, and their shares trade on stock exchanges, making them accessible to everyday investors. Investing in gold and silver ETFs provides exposure to the price movements of these metals without the hassle of physical storage. This means you don't need to worry about security or insurance. It is a more liquid option compared to physical metals, allowing you to buy or sell your holdings easily. This flexibility is ideal for both short-term traders and long-term investors. Section 7. Preservation over speculation, a long-term perspective. It is crucial to understand that gold and silver are not about getting rich quickly. They are not meant for short-term gains or speculative trading. They are not speculative investments. Instead, they should be seen as a stable foundation in your financial portfolio. Instead, view them as wealth preservation tools. These precious metals act as a safeguard for your assets. Their purpose is to protect your purchasing power over the long term. They offer a reliable store of value. While their prices can fluctuate in the short term, gold and silver have consistently held their value over centuries. This historical consistency is key. They provide a hedge against inflation and economic turmoil, safeguarding your wealth for future generations. Investing in gold and silver is about long-term security. Section 9. Securing your financial future. In an uncertain world, protecting your wealth is crucial. Economic downturns and financial crises can strike unexpectedly, leaving many unprepared. Gold and silver, with their historical significance and inherent value, offer a time-tested solution. These precious metals have been trusted for centuries. They provide stability, security, and a hedge against economic storms. Investing in them can safeguard your assets. Whether you choose physical metals, ETFs, or mining stocks, incorporating gold and silver into your investment strategy can help secure your financial future. Diversifying your portfolio is key. Remember, in times of turbulence, it is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Smart financial management and strategic investments are essential.